everybody, this is Frank Wall from frankwallfitness.com, and today we're cooking an almond coconut chicken. This is a very healthy recipe that adds a lot of flavor without all the salt. So I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I'm using today, the step-by-step instructions on how to cook it, and we're going to get to it. And for the ingredients, I have 3.5 pounds of chicken, I have a half a tablespoon of coconut oil, I have a half a tablespoon of sea salt, I have a half a cup of finely shredded almonds, I have 4 whole eggs, a whole cup of almond flour, and we have a whole cup of shredded coconut. Alright, and next what we're going to do is we're going to add some of the ingredients into the bowl. I'm going to start off, we're going to get our finely shredded almonds, add them in there, almond flour, shredded coconut, and we'll also add in our sea salt, and we're going to mix this up. Next I'm going to turn on the stove to heat up the pan, and we're going to get it to medium heat. Just like that, we're going to add in our coconut oil. Coconut oil is added into the pan. Next what we're going to do is we're going to get our chicken, we're going to dip it into our egg, roll it in our mixture, put it on the plate, and from the plate goes to the pan. So I have these thinly sliced chicken strips here. I'm just going to dip it into our egg, and from the egg we're going to go into our mixture. I'm just going to roll it in there, and from the mixture we're going to go to the plate. Simple as that, and we're going to do a whole bunch of these. Repeat the process. And to the plate. There it is. And my hands are messy, but that's okay. Here we have our chicken strips that I earlier dipped in our mixture, and we're going to add them into the pan. So one by one, I'm going to use my fork and slowly add it in here. We got our coconut oil in the pan. Very healthy fats. And voila. I have my chicken strips. I'm going to get them all cooking. We'll add one more in there. Alright, so it's been cooking just for about 4 minutes each side, 8 minutes total. And it's ready to go. You want the internal temperature to be about 165 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. FYI, so we're going to place these strips on here. Our nice plate. And for the garnish, I have a little baby arugula, lime, and orange to add a little fresh flavor to it. I'm going to add a last strip there. This one's kind of falling apart. That's okay. Nothing's always going to be perfect. And voila! As you can see, we have our finished product of almond coconut chicken. Over the little bed of baby arugula, we have our lime, so we can kind of give it a little squirt on there. I like to add a little extra fresh, zesty flavor. We have our garnish with the orange. Alright, now we're going to have a bite of this tasty deliciousness here. So I'm going to cut into it. Our almond coconut chicken. Mmm, so good. It's like just crispy chicken nuggets. Very similar to the coconut shrimp, which I'll be doing a video of in the future. Making a mess, but oh, it's so good. It's delicious. It's a very healthy protein-packed dish. Again, it doesn't have a lot of salt. If you need that a little bit to your preference, go ahead. You can do it. But again, it's very flavorful, delicious, and man, I'm just wowed by this. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. And I hope you enjoyed this. Comment, leave feedback down below. See ya.